Check out the hottest and most anticipated ride-on cars from RiiRoo this year. There's something about kids and their excitement to emergency service vehicles, and this kid's electric ride-on car in the Range Rover Velar style police edition is just absolutely the best ride-on car for the money and is just as feature-rich as anything else we do. It's suitable for children of up to 5 years of age or up to 110 centimeters in height. Let's take a look at some of the standard features. Functioning lights, start-up engine sounds, integrated multimedia console, 2.4 gigahertz parental remote control, functioning horn, opening doors, and a safety belt.
If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more great content.
Let's take a look at the premium features. This multimedia player is compatible with both our key-shaped USB sticks and our brand new Bluetooth adapters. All-wheel suspension maintains ride comfort on uneven surfaces. Padded leather style seats. The separate light switch allows the lights to be switched on or off at will. The 5-point safety harness gives you peace of mind that your child is completely safe. Astonishing lights and sounds. The special police edition livery on this car has been designed to spark your child's imagination. The CB radio style microphone means your child can now propel themselves into a world of make-believe while zipping around in this cool police car. Our dust and rain covers come in a range of sizes to suit all our ride-ons. If you would like to buy one of these great products, then go to our website at RiiRoo.com, where we offer a free next day delivery as long as you live in the UK mainland and place your order before 1 PM.